Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be building the second build of LEGO Creator Set 31127, which is this set here. The hot rod. I chose the hot rod primarily because I think it's that's just personal preference on my part. But I will be building the race car on one of my next videos. So this is the manual for it. It does look quite cool. So we will just get straight in. As you can see, I've pulled apart the streetcar and I've sorted the bits into colour, so the build should be a bit quicker and a bit smoother, but we'll see how we go on that. So we start off with a green 6x4 base plate and a black 4x1 flat plate goes on there, and I'll call these ones cream, a cream 4x2 flat as well. And then we have two of the Lego Technic 4x1 bricks. They're Technic ones because they've got holes in. They go on there. And then we have four of the blue Technic half studs. These go in the side. Like so. I've skipped a page here. I have two of the cream 4x1 base plates. Go on the top. I have two of these black. They are 3x2 base plates with a 2x1 brick moulded all together. Not sure their proper names, but if anyone does know, do feel free to put in the comments and I'll give you a shout out on an upcoming video. Next we have a red 2x2 base plate and a red 4x1 base plate, and then we have two of the cream 2x1 upside down roofing pieces. They go on like so. I'll try and find the right brick here. Right. This could be grey. I have a grey 2x1 flat with a stud in the middle, and three black 2x1 flat vented flat pieces, which are these ones here. So we have a green 2x4 flat with a 2x1 base plate moulded onto it. It goes on the back here. We have two of these grey 2x1 curved bricks. Try and show you these. I have two of the green 3x1 right angled base plate pieces. Goes on there like so. And then you have a grey 2x2 flat or two grey 2x2 flats with a grey 2x1 brick moulded together, a purple 2x1 brick, and a cream 2x1 base plate. It's probably not cream, I don't know what colour to call that really. I'm sure that it has a name, but obviously this is the reason I don't do lots of decorating. So that goes on there like so. Next we have 4 of these right-angled curved pipes. Which go on the side here. So this looks like it's going to be the engine. And then we have the grey 2x1. It's like a base plate with a curve on it. Goes on there like so. Then you have 2 red square studs and a red 3x2 base plate. Goes on there like so. Then you have 2 of these grey flat D pieces. And 2 of the clear round flat studs. They have another 4 of the black 2x1 vented flat pieces, which are these ones here. Goes on there like so. Then you have a purple stud and the grey small wheel. The grey stud attaches to the bottom of the wheel like that, and then goes on the top there like so. Makes a nice little engine. Put that over here for the time being. Then we have a red 8x4 base plate and I believe it to be it's got to be a purple 6x4 base plate. They go together like so. Have 2 of the grey 2x1 base plates with a female connector hook on it. Oh, done that wrong. We'll also have 2 red 6x1 base plates. The grey 2x1s with a female connector go on like so. Do that twice. Then attach these on here like so. Then you have a red 4x1 flat piece. Then you attach the engine onto that piece there. So that piece there is like that, and that goes together like so. Now you make what looks like the rear of the vehicle. So that starts off as a black 8x2 base plate and a cream 4x1 brick, 2 black 8x1 base plates, go on like so. Have a white 4x2 flat and 2 black 4x1 Technic bricks. Go on the side like so. And we have 2 red 6x2 base plates and a cream 2x1 base plate. Goes on the top there. Then we have 2 more of these black, which are 2 3x2 base plates with a 2x1 brick moulded together. Have 2 of these green 2x1 base plates with a 4x2 mould on a right angle. They have a red 6x1 base plate and a purple 6x1 base plate. Goes on top like so. Seem to have a miss some parts off there. I'll go on there like so. Have 2 of these black 4x1 flats with a right angled bit on the side. It's just a 4x1 flat with a bit on the side like that. Goes on here. Then you have a cream 4x1 base plate, a purple 2x1 brick, which goes on there like so. Then you have a grey brick, which is two 2x2 base plates moulded together with a 2x1 brick. We turn that around, and we have 2 of the black 2x1 flat vented pieces. 2 of the clear red 2x1 base plates and a black 4x2 flat, which goes on that bit there like so. And this bit here attaches onto that back bit there. Like so, and there's our chassis so far. And we make what looks like the middle of the vehicle, so put that over here a minute. We have a red 8x4 base plate, and then we have four purple 6x1 base plates. And we attach these onto the bottom. I'll show you this in a minute. Like so. Then you have a red 4x2 flat and 2 red 1x2 vented, flat vented pieces. Then we have two of these red 2x2 right angled base plates. And we stick a couple of the green metal bar flat pieces. Go on the back like so. And then we have a purple 4x2 brick. And then we have a white or a cream 2x2 upside down roofing piece. Goes on there. And a black 8x1 base plate. With 2 red 6x1 base plates. And a purple 6x1 base plate. Goes on the back there like so. And we have 2 red 1 flat pieces with two sides on. Then we have 2 of the cream 2x1 upside down roofing pieces and a cream 4x1 brick, which goes on there like so. Then you have 2 red 4x1 bricks. And 2 red 2x1 upside down roofing pieces. Then you have 6 of the purple 2x1 base plates. You do get a lot of this with the creator sets because they do have like limited bricks to actually build with. Let me just find the other one. There it is. And these go across the top here. Then you have 2 of the purple 1 square stud bricks or 1 base plates. You can't really call them base plates, you can't do a lot with them. And 2 of the purple 2x1 flats, which should be in here somewhere. They go on there like so. Then we stick that bit there in the middle. That goes on there. I'm not sure if that's 100% right, so it does seem a bit of a gap there, but I'm quite sure that will sort itself out. Now we stick 3 of these red 2x2x2 2 high roofing bricks on the back here. Now we make a front bit as well. We make the windscreen bit next. So move this bit out of the way. This is what we've got so far. Seats go in the back there. I should have a purple 6x2 base plate, a red 4x2 base plate, a white 4x1 base plate, a purple cheese, 2 purple cheese pieces, and a clear 2x1 base plate goes in the middle there. Then a black 2x1 flat moulded brick goes in there. Then a black 4x1 flat goes in there, and 2 purple double cheese pieces, which are these ones here. Then we flip that over and you put a red 6x1 base plate on there and have a windscreen, the green clear windscreen which goes on there like so. And we have 2 of these black right angled pivot pieces with a 2x2 piece on the pivot. These go in the middle. Like so. And then this bit here attaches onto this bit here. Next we add so that's what we got so far. It's now starting to look like a hot rod now. It does look really good. Thank you for bearing with me on this video. Next we have a purple round stud and a black steering wheel, which goes on there like so. Next we make one of the wheel arches that go on the back on this side. So it starts off as a purple wheel arch, a purple 4x1 base plate, a purple 3x1 curved piece, a purple 4x1 flat, and another purple 3x1 curved piece. which goes on like so. That bit goes on there like so. And we do the same on the other side, so it's going to be the same but different, but so we start off with the purple wheel arch, the purple 4x1 base plate, but you are doing like opposite way round. The purple 3x1 curved brick, the purple 4x1 flat, and another purple 3x1 curved brick, which goes on like so. So it's opposite way round, goes on the other side, like so. So it's starting to look good now. Then we have a red 6x1 flat, which goes on top of the red bits where the seats go. Then we have a purple 6x4 base plate and a red 4x1 base plate. So that goes, the 4x1 goes on the bottom there, and then that attaches onto that point there. So that attaches on there quite solidly. Now we are getting to the bit with the wheels, which is good. So as you can see, when I took it apart, I left the tyres on the wheels because they're going to stay, they are a constant. And the first thing we do is put a purple stud and a grey flat stud together. So you put a purple stud and a round flat stud and then stick them onto the wheel. In there like so. Then you have a red 10 axle. Then you have the grey spacer, the grey Technic spacer goes on there like so. And we put that through the back like so. Leaving that like that. We do the same with the other wheel. So we get the grey stud and the grey flat stud together. Put that on the wheel. And then you put a grey spacer on there. That goes on there like so. So you got, now we do the same again with these wheels here to see if they're different. Yeah, the front wheels go that way. So we have the 10 trying to work out how that, does that meant to go in the other, will that go in the other way around, which is the first question. Oh, it will, that's interesting. I put these in the wrong way round actually, I thought they went in the other way round, but... Oh, nearly. Oh, good. Let me just readjust these wheels quickly. I have put these on the wrong way around, do apologise. Oh, and something else has fallen off there. Something else for the review video. And the screen has as well. Now I did get on with these other wheels now. So we stick the axle through that one there. Then we have the grey spacer. We stick that through there like so. Have another grey spacer. Stick the wheel on there. Adjust the pipes on there a little bit. And here we have our hot rod. I'm going to move these bricks out of the way a little bit. I'm going to have to reorganise them anyway for the next builds anyway. So there we go, we've got our hot rod. It does look quite good. It's a chunky model, but it does look like what it's actually supposed to do. The windscreen moves on it, which is quite nice. And it does seem to be a bit brittle there, but I'll have a look at that later, just in case I have missed something. Let me have a look at this again, because the windscreen. Oh, we go. Not sure if I built this wrong or I've just actually. It just seems to be a bit unstable at the moment. So it does look alright as a build, though. To be honest with you, I'll be checking this before I do the review. And do feel free to double check the instructions when you build it yourself. But overall, it is a nice looking build, and it does seem to sort of it does seem to do what it's supposed to do. So. No complaints really. I probably missed a part out on the build, but I'll be checking that later. Overall, quite happy with it. The screen moves, the wheels move, the engine. It does look good. It rolls well. The wheels are nice and chunky, and as you see, it rolls nicely towards the camera and even across the camera like that. So overall, it's a nice little build, and for a 3-in-1 set. At the price point, it is pretty good, pretty solid overall. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. If you have any comments or feedback on this video, do feel free to add them at the end of the video, and I'll try to mention my upcoming videos. I am on YouTube and Instagram. Like I say, please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends. If you can, put a like at the end of the video, it helps the channel. Stay safe, keep building, and hope to see you in my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.